This video tutorial I will explain what is VPN. Imagine you are sending a letter. When you send a letter to someone, you typically put the letter in an envelope to keep it private. Without the envelope, anyone could read the letter as it travels from your home to its destination. Now think of internet as a highway for information, and your data is like that particular letter. When you use the internet without VPN, it is bit like sending an open postcard. So people might see what you are doing online. Now let us introduce the VPN. A VPN is like having a magical tunnel for your online activities. When you connect to the VPN, it is as if you are putting your internet data into a super secure envelope. This virtual envelope ensures that your data is private and protected as it travels across the internet. Here you can see you are using a mobile device or laptop device to send data to the destination. And if you are using VPN, then VPN secures your data so that the government or hackers or snoopers cannot see what you are sending from your machine to the destination. Now we will see how a VPN works. The first point is encrypting your data. Just like sealing an envelope, VPN encrypts your data. This means even if someone tries to peek at our online activities, they won't be able to understand what is inside. The second point is connecting through a server. When you use a VPN, your internet connection goes through a special server in a location of your choice. It is like having a friend who lives in a different city receive and send your mail. This special server helps to make your online presence more anonymous. The third point is masking your IP address. Your IP address is like your online address. A VPN can hide your real IP address and show the IP address of the special server. It is like using your friend's written address on the envelope and keeping your identity more private. Without VPN, from the user device, data will be sent to internet service provider and internet service provider to internet. And with VPN, from the user device, data will be sent to VPN client to internet service provider, internet service provider to VPN server, and VPN server to the internet. VPN server is nothing but the special server we talked about. In summary, VPN is your online privacy superhero. It encrypts your data, connects you through the secure server, and masks your IP address, and making your online activities more private and secure. VPN is especially useful when you are using public Wi-Fi or want to access the content as if you were in a different location. Think of it as your secret online tunnel for safer and more private internet experience. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.